I just want to show you the inside of Indian railways, I mean the trains, and I want you guys to explore the train with me for my train journey where I'm traveling from Mumbai to New Delhi. So right now I'm just still at Mumbai. I'm not even exited Mumbai yet. Yeah guys, so let's enjoy the trip together. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's go. So this is what is served. I'll open it and see the content.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah, I'm kind of vlogging also.
Sorry to disturb, but
No,
actually
no.
I am also.
So this is, I think this is snacks, okay, and from what we see here, and then this is, I don't know, this is for tea, like the tea bag inside, and then milk, and sugar, and this one is, say what? Sound cane. Alright, so this is the quite first time that I get some food in the train like that. So yeah, I'll try it and give a feedback. So the journey is still going on. I'm still in Mumbai. So yeah, not bad. Vegetarian. This is chicken, dal, rice, and a very warm, like 3 pieces of chapati. So yeah, this is the breakfast of the morning. It's almost 8 a.m. here, but since the lights are off, it looks like it's quite dark. I'll reach New Delhi very shortly. So they've given breakfast, you know, this is juice, this is butter, again tea, and a packet of milk, and sugar, and what it is, ketchup. I don't know what this is. But yeah, I mean, this is quite interesting, guys. So this is omelette. I think yesterday I ordered for breakfast omelette, and then bread. I think butter inside. No, butter. So yeah, guys, let's have it.
What time?
Just exited the embassy of Côte d'Ivoire that you can see behind me. Okay, embassy of Côte d'Ivoire in New Delhi. So I came for some, personal work, but also official work at the embassy. So now it is done. I'll be heading to this train station again. So I came to Delhi by train. I'm going back again by train. So I'll just combine the 2 trains journey, and then I'll show you guys. So this is quite interesting. station, NDLS. So once you come, you'll see many autos are parked here. Okay, and then the entry is a little bit ahead. So I'm going to enter the complex, the train station complex. So what you should know is that when you're coming, mostly and when you're traveling in New Delhi by auto, please try to have change. Okay, even if you're booking a Ola, okay, or a Uber, try to have change because they, tend to not accept payment online. Okay, and if you have like, let's say, cash money, do your best to have change. All right, so that you don't face any difficulty. I was about to face some, so I'm sharing my experience.
Inconvenience caused is deeply regretted.
So yeah, right now I just reached the platform. Not the platform, actually the bridge which connect the platforms. So I'm going to my platform. I think my train will depart from platform 1. So yeah.